Hello everyone.
Nos quiere impresionar, nos quiere impresionar.
Bro, get the away from here, like turn around. Bro, no, hold on. I think it's gonna crash, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit.
At Louisville International Airport, a UPS cargo plane skimmed the runway before exploding in a massive fireball, sending black smoke towering into the sky. One of the most severe aviation accidents ever seen here. This helicopter became a victim during a firefighting mission in France, crashing into a lake after an apparent pilot mistake. Tension filled the shoreline as a World War II-era plane made an emergency water landing off Florida. Miraculously, no one was hurt. What began as a routine landing quickly turned catastrophic. An F-35A lost control during a training exercise at Eielson AFB, slamming into the ground and exploding into a fireball. The pilot survived after ejecting safely. Video captured a tense moment as the last operational C-123 provider narrowly avoided disaster while landing in the strong winds at the Geneseo Air Show. Fortunately, the worst was avoided. A long-haul flight turned dangerous when a Boeing 777 engine caught fire just after takeoff. Definitely an unforgettable experience for those passengers.
He just checked in just today. There he is right there.
An impressive video shows a small plane bouncing hard on the runway at Tampa International Airport while trying to land, but the pilot's skill kept things from turning ugly.
1 Sierra Bravo going around. 1 Sierra Bravo, roger, you coming back in.
Both front wheels failed just moments after takeoff, forcing an extremely unstable landing. After landing at the airport in Basseterre, St. Kitts and Nevis, everything seemed fine, until the wing hit a light pole and the plane tilted slightly. No one knows exactly why, but this small aircraft made an emergency landing right on a highway in Sweden, leaving drivers completely shocked. What would you do if this happened in front of you?
Uh-oh. No, shoot.
What looks like a deadly plane crash is actually a carefully staged movie scene. The explosion is fake, but the shock feels very real.
It hit all the truss and everything.
That's a cut, keep rolling.
A terrifying moment as a US F-35 crashed nose first during landing. The pilot escaped safely, but the damage to the aircraft was severe. Was this pilot's skill or pure luck?
Oh,
A landing went horribly wrong at a Fiji resort when a helicopter clipped a tree, but incredibly, the pilot and all passengers were unharmed. After encountering difficulties, the pilot relied on training and composure to land safely. This proves that skills can make a big difference.
they're on fire!
What started as a routine flight quickly got dramatic when a Ryanair Boeing 737 lost its nose wheel during an emergency landing in Dublin Airport. Sparks flew, but everyone walked away safe. This pilot botched the landing at Gustav III Airport, one of the world's most challenging airports, with a runway barely 650 meters long.
Dude, that guy's gotta stop. Whoa!
A long-haul flight turned dangerous when a Boeing 777 engine caught fire just after takeoff. Definitely an unforgettable experience for those passengers.
I've never seen that before. That doesn't sound good. It doesn't look good.
Luckily, the pilot spotted engine trouble early and made an emergency landing on a highway in North Carolina. Quick thinking truly saves lives. At a Chilean base in Antarctica, this C-130 landing proves visibility can be just as dangerous as weather. That's definitely not something you want to experience thousands of feet in the air.
Hey, I'm moving. I'm not fucking. Holy shnikes.
The grass victim, here we go.
In New Zealand, a controlled grass landing ended in a collision. 1 second of inattention can cause disaster.
Right, for holy that's not looking good.
This pilot's engine stopped working in the middle of the flight.
Instead of landing safely, this YouTuber jumped from the plane for views. The crash was staged, and the real landing was a 6-month prison sentence.
And this is how planes land by themselves.
Good job. Good job. Yeah, good job.
Takeoff preparations turned critical when the MiG-29 caught fire, forcing a split-second ejection. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Only the jet was lost.
Easy! Oh my flipping heck! Wow! I'm surprised that's not touch and go, mate. Wow! That was...
A water takeoff went horribly wrong when a Mi-14 helicopter capsized in a disaster near Sakhalin. Reports say a loss of center of gravity balance caused the rollover.
Fuck it.
Did you even catch that fighter jet flying past just now? Have you ever wondered how drivers react when a plane flies dangerously close to their cars? I bet they're shocked and terrified. A Japanese F-15 had to use its tailhook during an emergency landing on a regular runway. Honestly, without an experienced pilot, this wouldn't have ended safely. This dramatic moment shows a passenger plane erupting in flames after colliding with a fire truck during landing in Peru. Miraculously, all 280 passengers and crew survived. The Blue Angels were training hard at Naval Air Facility El Centro. One high-speed takeoff kicked up a massive cloud of dust, leaving the crowd stunned by the pilot's incredible skill. Things got tense when the nose landing gear collapsed during landing in the Bahamas, forcing the jet's nose onto the runway. But thankfully, everything ended smoothly with no injuries. Spectators went wild when a Turkish Air Force F-16 roared overhead, showing off some jaw-dropping maneuvers in a truly dramatic airshow performance. The Altair BE-200 pulled off an incredibly low pass before touching down near the shore to scoop up water. This amphibious aircraft showed off its unique coastal abilities with stunning precision.
Че, обосрались?
Holden's out there playing with him too. He's going faster than us. The skydives are terrible. Yeah, we do things with true regular horse fashion.
If you've never seen a car fall from nearly 200 meters, this is your chance to witness it. If this left you stunned, like, share and subscribe for more shocking aviation moments caught on camera. Thanks for watching.